In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable or delete staff order notifications in Shopify. Managing notifications effectively can streamline your workflow and reduce unnecessary distractions, so it's important to tailor these alerts to suit your team's needs. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together, ensuring that you understand every step clearly. To begin, we need to navigate to the appropriate section in your Shopify admin page. First, look towards the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, where you will find the Settings button. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Click on that, and this will bring up a menu of various settings options. Once you're in the Settings menu, look through the list and locate the Notifications section. Clicking on Notifications will take you to a new page specifically dedicated to managing all the different alerts that Shopify can send out. On this Notifications page, you'll see various types of notifications that have been set up for your store. What we need to focus on here are the staff notifications. You'll find a specific section labeled Staff Notifications. This is where you can see all the current order notifications that are being sent to your team members. Now, find the recipient whose notifications you intend to disable or delete. Each recipient will have a corresponding icon with 3 dots next to their name. This icon acts as a menu that provides further options for you to choose from. Click on this 3 dots icon. A small drop-down menu will appear, offering you options related to notifications for that particular staff member. You will see choices such as remove or turn off. If your goal is to delete the notifications entirely so that the recipient no longer receives any alerts, you would select remove. On the other hand, if you only want to temporarily stop the notifications without deleting the setup, selecting turn off might be more appropriate. Once you've made your selection, the changes will take effect immediately. Shopify will automatically update the notification settings according to your choice, ensuring that your team receives only the relevant information necessary for their roles. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage staff order notifications in Shopify, helping to create a more focused work environment without unnecessary interruptions. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips.